Have you ever, when you opened a package of raw spring roll pastry, wondered where this thin, moist, square thing came from? How is it possible that this seemingly simple item, after being fried, becomes so crispy and becomes a vessel for so many flavors? Looks like a pile of stones on the ground, lots of irregular round shapes visible under the microscope. The surface is very rough when seen through a microscope, but when seen with the naked eye, the skin is very smooth when touched. Our story isn't just about flour and water. It's a story of two loves, the love of food and the love of one another. It all began in the 19th century in the city of Semarang. Imagine a Chinese man named Tjoa Thay Joe with a spring roll recipe inherited from his ancestors from China meets Wasih, a Javanese woman with extraordinary local cooking skills. From their love, not just a family was born, but a culinary legend. They fused two worlds. Chinese bamboo shoot filling meets Indonesian spices. And so the name Lumpia was born from the Hokkien word Lumpia, meaning soft pastry. But what's the secret behind that soft skin? This is the heart of the whole story, the crust. Guess what the ingredients are? It's simple: flour, water, eggs, and a little salt. But the magic lies in the technique. This very runny batter is poured onto a hot pan, and within seconds, a strong, flexible membrane forms, perfect for wrapping. Have you ever wondered why these skins don't stick together inside the package? The secret is in the thin layer of flour between them. That's what makes it easy to pick them up one by one. This is when the simple crust transforms. When magnified under a microscope, there are many holes, layered unevenly like large pores. From a soft wrapper to a crunchy armor, it protects all the fillings inside. This one is the flour that is between the skin. But this skin can also be a canvas for limitless creations with spring rolls, mini spring rolls, even sweet foods like banana aroma. But what are we actually eating when we eat these fried spring roll wrappers? Truth be told, when raw, they're primarily a source of carbohydrates. The nutritional value actually comes from the vegetable and protein-rich filling. This is where we need to be smart because of the frying process. Eating fried spring rolls frequently can have its own side effects. It's high in calories and fat. That doesn't mean we shouldn't enjoy it, not at all. But by understanding it, we can enjoy it more intelligently, choosing fillings rich in vegetables. Control your portions and make it an occasional treat, not a daily treat. So, the next time you hold a piece of spring roll pastry, remember this. You're not holding a thin sheet of dough. You're holding a piece of history, a beautiful product of acculturation, a culinary canvas, and a responsibility to choose the best filling for it. Lumpia is proof that the most delicious things in the world are often born from encounters, from unity, and from a desire to share. Ready to make taste history in your own kitchen? What's the most unique spring roll creation you've ever tried? How did it taste, soft and savory? Share it in the comments. I hope this information is helpful to those of you who watched my video of my adventures through the microscope. Watch my next video for more inspiration. Please support me so I can be more creative by subscribing to my YouTube channel, liking this video, and sharing it if you found it helpful. See you in the next video.